Hey there, Charlani here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're doing some thrift shopping and hopefully crossing off some of the items from my decor shopping list. On my channel, we talk all things life and style, from home decor and DIYs to cleaning motivation and organization, basically all the things to make a happy home. If those are things that you like to talk about too, hit that pause button and subscribe, and I'll see you right back here. Today, I am at my absolute favorite thrift store. They actually have a lot of furniture here most times I come, so we're just gonna have to play it by ear, see what they've got. I have the longest list of things that I'm gonna be keeping my eye out for. Side tables for the master bedroom. I need 2 and I want them to be the same. That's gonna be a hard call, I think. Dish towels, piano book, coasters. I would like to get a match cloche that is either antique or thrifted, but if I can't find one over the next few times I go thrifting, I'm just gonna order it on Amazon. I like to get a bin or a basket for our coffee table. I've got some smaller things like the flint stuff for the fireplace that I would like to kind of put in there, but I thought it could be a pretty moment for the coffee table too. So practical storage, beautiful practical storage. I also need to get a small utensils crock. And then I'm also looking for pots or baskets for our big trees in our master bedroom. So I have a really long list of things that I'm gonna be on the lookout for. Like I said, I don't know what they're gonna have here. Sometimes they have absolutely amazing things. Sometimes they have unexpected things. So let's pop in, let's see what they've got. I live 20 to 30 minutes from Dallas here in Texas, and there are a lot of thrift stores around, and this is usually my favorite one because they restock constantly and their furniture section is oftentimes really full. I've gotten some amazing deals here, but today, not so much. But there are some other home decor things that caught my eye. Something I love about thrifting is that you just never ever know what's going to be here, and this just means that we're gonna have to come back soon. So just remember, if you remember that sign that we saw in the beginning, everything, all the home decor was 40% off. Furniture is almost always 50% off, and then throughout the week they just change what is discounted, but all of this home decor stuff, 40% off. When we get home, I'll share my haul. I'll kind of style some things up as well, but there are so many good finds that can be found at a thrift store if you're willing to look for it. Like sometimes you gotta dig a little bit, and sometimes you're gonna find amazing deals. Spoiler alert, I did get this tray, $7. That tray was huge and it was awesome. And then these little glasses, I just thought they were so cute. I don't even know what you would drink out of them, but I just thought they were adorable. I also really like these glass little teacups, and there were no prices on it. It wasn't worth it to me to go back, and they were probably $1 each. There was a set of 12, which I really liked, but it wasn't worth finding someone to get a price for them. But like these glasses, there was a set of 4. I love all things tropical, so of course that one caught my eye. And then little teapots, tea kettles. This one happened to be $9.99, which isn't bad at all, especially with a discount, but this was $5. I'm like, the other one seemed to be less substantial than this. So again, you just gotta look, you just gotta see what you find. This box caught my eye for the coffee table. We've got some little knick-knacky things that I need to kind of store away, or I would like to, but it was a little big. This is perfect. It was a little bit more ornate than I had kind of envisioned, but I love it. There may not have been any furniture there for us to take a look at, but they did have some really cool home decor that I cannot wait to put around this house. Everything was on sale. All the home decor pieces were on sale. So even when you see the prices of what they are, just know that they were either 40 or 50% off. It just kind of depended on the item. So let me show you what we got. I was looking for a small boxer basket to put on our coffee table, and to put, we have some fireplace, I'm calling it flint, I know it's not that, but it's stuff for our fireplace to put in here, but I wanted it to be a pretty little box, and this is perfect. I could not resist this little bowl right here. I just think it is the cutest thing. And even if we were to put little things like this, like little greenery things like that, that looks so cute. And even if I were to take like this terracotta off, or if I were to find a plant that's very similar, just this look in that looks so good. So I love that. This would also look really good on like a set of books, just as is. This glass vase I just thought was really pretty, exactly as it is. I don't have a lot of glass vases, and this one, I love the lines on it. I just think it's really pretty. This vase, I kind of like it the way that it is, but I also think this would be a good DIY project to switch up the colors, maybe make it darker, maybe even make it all white. But we have options. Of all the things, this was the most expensive one. It was $14.99. It is basically in perfect condition, but I'm thinking of doing our bathroom, our guest bathroom, in this kind of vibe. So this was perfect. It was originally $30 at Bed Bath & Beyond, $14.99, and then that was 40% off. So I just think it's so pretty. And I think I forgot to say, but this was $9.99, then discounted. This was $3.49, and then discounted. Now, this guy I am really excited about. So it kind of has a very Asian Oriental vibe to it, and it matches plates that I have. These are just a part of a set that I actually got for Christmas last year. Believe it or not, this was part of our Christmas dining room situation last year. Not this past season, but the year before. I didn't break these out this year, but we will next year. And I just think that it goes so well with this. And I think greenery, again, something similar to that. This is gonna be too small, but you'll see like something similar to that. Actually, that looks kind of good. But that as part of a centerpiece, and these as, you know, on the place setting, I think would be so cool. And this big old metal platter, it is hefty, like it is heavy. It is definitely a substantial piece, and it is large. $6.99 plus that 40% off discount. This was a steal, and I'm so excited about it because this can be used here on this table. It can even be something that is used here, like in place of the black tray. It'll give this a little bit more definition. So there are definitely options for that for sure. Then I got these 3 pictures. So I don't care too much for the pictures themselves that are in it, but I love the frames. So this one was, I believe it was, well, you know what, let's look, let's see. This one was $12.99, this one was $9.99, And that one was $3.49, all of them 40% off. And what I'm gonna do is when we redo our master bedroom, I wanna have a picture collage. I'm unsure of which wall it's gonna go on, but I want different frames with different colors and textures, and then the pictures that we're gonna put inside will be cohesive. So I'm going to, over the next couple months, collect picture frames. These are the big guys. Now I kind of need to find the smaller, really cool picture frames to kind of fill in and go around it. But this is a really good start. And to be honest, I kind of really like that. Like, I do like that vibe. This used to be my vibe years ago. My decor style has changed a little bit, but I still really like it. But that's not really the vibe we're going for. But I do really like that. Moody, I always lean towards the moody. I definitely think we had a very successful thrift shopping trip. Next time I head out there, I'll take you along with me. Hopefully there'll be furniture there. Hopefully there'll be side tables or nightstands or something that I can use for bedside tables, because I really want to start working like deep dive into the master bedroom. But that was a fun trip. Thanks so much for coming with me, finding all these good goodies, and I will see you in the next video. Again, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.